that speckled one there is a downy woodpecker.
Wowee!
Indeed. And that black one with the red patch on its wing is the aptly named red-winged blackbird.
You sure know birds good.
Well, you mean. But yes, I'm quite knowledgeable on avians.
Neat trick for showing off. Ain't very useful information, though.
I disagree. All knowledge is valuable knowledge. After all, you know what they say. Knowledge is power.
So, by that logic, you're more powerful than me?
Well, that's not what it's only a saying, not meant to be taken literally.
Yeah, no kidding.
What's that bird?
Yes, let's change the subject. Oh, I'm honestly not familiar with that one.